So hey guys, welcome back once again on this YouTube channel, and this is Masum as always. So now in this video I'm gonna share a topic that is about that why did I started YouTube and how YouTube platform helped me to grow and to improve my spoken English. So before that, I hope you have already subscribed my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos. That's it. So now go to the topic. So I have created this channel in 2022. But at that time I was uploaded some kind of videos randomly, okay. But just in this month, I think, or just a couple of months ago, and I have decided to upload video related to spoken English, and that is how I upload few kind of videos in my channel, and that is how the spoken English helped me. My main partner, this mobile phone, I just tried to speak in front of the camera and upload the videos on my YouTube channel. Initially I was nervous because I did not have any partner to speak and I did not know how to speak in English, but day by day I started this YouTube channel, and day by day it helped me, and day by day I grow, and my spoken English is getting fluent. I did not wait to be a perfect. I just started how much I knew about this. Each and every video I make and upload on this YouTube channel helped me a lot in my journey. Know that we don't need to be expert to start YouTube channel or to start spoken English. I just know that we just need to start, and the time will come soon when we will become fluent speaker. So my opinion is, if I can do that, so why not you are? I believe that you should try this way, and to be fluent in English you should practice as I am doing. So this is not my YouTube channel, this is my practice ground, this is my main journey, this is my classroom. And one more thing is that I have created this channel and started to upload a video related to spoken English. Initially I was shy. To break my fear, I record videos and upload it to the YouTube channel. I thought that if I would make mistakes in front of the camera, then it will help me to find out my mistakes and to rectify it, to make it correct, and to grow. So now I did not just learn English, I am trying to teach you all, so as you can do practice spoken English as I am doing. And this is not just a content, this is my confidence, my journey. So each and every video I upload on YouTube channel guide me and help me a lot to practice English speaking. I have never come on YouTube to earn money. I just come here to be a fluent speaker, to practice spoken English. So I hope you are getting me properly, and you have already subscribed my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos. So just you can copy me and record your videos in front of the camera, speak in front of the camera, and you can create a channel, and you can upload your video on your YouTube channel, not to earn money but to practice spoken English and to become a fluent speaker. So meet you soon on my next videos. Thanks for watching.